If I ask you one question, would you rather invest 50,000 rupees one time or 1,000 rupees every month without stress? Most people think you need big money to start investing. But the truth is, wealth is not built by big amounts. Wealth is built by small habits. And today, I will explain one such powerful habit called SIP in the simplest way possible. Let's be honest, most of us cannot invest a big amount at once. We have rent, EMI, school fees, family expenses. At the end of every month, we think, next month I will start savings or investing. But next month never comes. This is exactly where SIP becomes useful. SIP means systematic investment plan. Don't get scared by the big name. SIP simply means you invest a fixed small amount every month automatically, just like your mobile recharge or electricity bill. But here, instead of paying others, you are paying yourself first. Suppose you decide to invest 1,000 rupees per month. That is just about 33 rupees per day, less than a cup of tea. But you do it every month, without stopping, without thinking. This small habit slowly becomes a big amount. Now let's understand how SIP actually works. Some months the market is up. Some months the market is down. When prices are high, your money buys less. When prices are low, your money buys more. You don't need to predict anything. You don't need to worry about anything. SIP automatically balances everything for you. But the real magic of SIP is not money. The real magic is discipline. SIP teaches you one simple habit: save first, spend later. Rich people are not rich because they are lucky. They are rich because they are consistent. Now imagine this. You join a gym, you exercise for 1 month, then you stop for 2 months, then again you start, then again you stop. Will your body change? No. SIP is exactly the same. You don't get results by starting and stopping. You get results by continuing. SIP is for everyone. Students, job holders, business owners, anyone who earns monthly. If you can save 500 rupees or 1000 rupees or 2000 rupees, you are ready. The amount is not important. Starting is important. Now let me tell you the biggest mistake people make. When the market goes down, people stop their SIP. They say, I will start again when everything becomes safe. But that is exactly the wrong time. SIP works best when you continue in the bad times. Stay calm and think long term. Now the question is, how long should you do SIP? SIP is not a 6-month plan. It is not a 1-year plan. SIP is 5-year habit, 10-year habit, or even a lifetime habit. The longer you stay, the powerful it becomes. You don't need a big salary. You don't need big knowledge. You don't need perfect timing. You only need a small amount, the right habit, and long patience. Start small, stay consistent. Let time do the heavy work. Remember one thing, SIP doesn't make you rich quickly. SIP makes you rich surely.